Hello everyone, Mr. C here. Over the past few days I've gotten some questions about things that students are seeing in their gradebook. So I'm going to walk you through some of those icons and things in the gradebook. I'm just using my civics course for example, but I do teach other classes, so your setup might look slightly different. So when you scroll down, you find My Grades tab, you click on it, and it will show you the list of all the assignments in the class and your grades. So the main things I want to point out here are in the grade column and the comment section. So if you're looking at your grade book and you see a blue circle like this one up here, that means that the assignment is either in progress or you have your assignment saved as a draft. In most cases, this appears next to discussion board assignments because students only post 1 or 2 comments to the discussion board, and in some cases you need to post 2 or 3. So if you see a blue circle in your gradebook, please review the directions and make sure you post the required number of posts on the discussion board. Moving along here, say you're looking at your grade and you're like, oh, why did I get 0 out of 5 on this assignment? Or why did I get 10 out of 15? If you look over here to the right, you will see the comment section, and this is the feedback that I leave you on your assignments. Sometimes if it's a lot of feedback, you might need to click on View Full Comment, and it will let you review all the feedback that I left on your assignment. And the final thing I'd like to point out is the yellow circle here. Now the yellow circle means that an assignment was submitted and it needs to be graded by me. Now if you submitted your assignment, you're like, oh, I'm not sure if my assignment attached or if I submitted the right file, you can click on the icon and it'll pull up exactly what you submitted. Now, I'd like to point out it's very important that you save your assignments as Word documents or PDFs. That way, if there's any technical issues, all your work will be saved. So please make sure you're saving your assignments. So now if you want to double check and be like, oh, I'm not sure if I have the right file, you can click on it and it will pull up exactly what you submitted. So this way you can verify like, yes, this is what I was trying to submit. And if it's not, then you can send me a message, say, hey, Mr. Call, I accidentally submitted the wrong assignment. Can you please reset it? So those are just a few things I'd like to point out about the My Grade section. If anybody has any questions, please let me know and have a great day.